everyone, welcome back to today's video. And today it's a hot one. It says 99 degrees on my dashboard. 99. And it's not even the actual temperature. That's how bad the humidity is in this area. I mean, you'd just be better living in the middle of Iowa or Indiana, where you don't got humidity sitting in between mountains and crap. I mean, yeah. But yeah, there's the mileage. If you guys are wondering, the Jeep people, they want to know. 100 and some miles. But yeah. So it's 99 degrees out, and we're not even in a state that gets really hot weather. Alright, so this is a phone mount I had bought, and we're going to go ahead and install it. Now, I'm not a professional, but we're going to have to put the phone right here. But yeah, it's going to go here, and then it's going to lean over my radio. But if you need to access the radio, you just have to flip it up like that to access all the features. I think that's pretty fair, don't you think? And then you just put the thingamajig right here, and it would mount right there in the middle of your radio. I think that'd be great, but I gotta make sure I know what I'm doing. Because if I don't know what I'm doing, that ain't so good. Alright, so step number 1. Let's see. Okay. It's not saying anything. Wait a minute. Yeah, it says connect. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says here about the suction cup. Press suction cup firmly to secure the appropriate position, then press the exhaust button. And it's gonna go right here. Pressing it firmly. Don't want to break my radio. If it does, replace it. And do that. Now it's on there. Cool. There, we got our first little accessory. And then next, we install this. And that is somehow supposed to go back on there. See here. Now I have the air conditioner on, and we're not having the short cycling problem like we did in that one video, but that's relevant. All right. Well, so you have to put it in there. Doesn't want to go over top. Oh, do you want to know why? It's because I think... Okay, hold up. Okay, tighten the nuts. Oh, okay, I get it now. This was supposed to go over top. And then it clicks onto there. We can turn the orientation. Alright, and then that. Go like that. Because if you need to access the radio, you'd have to flip this up. But, hey. Doesn't I think you have to loosen it for it to turn in what direction you want it to turn in. So we're going to do it like this since we're filming like that. We're going to see how well that's going to work on camera. It's getting ready to storm, about to get hit with a thunderstorm, you know, but it's a good thing we got the Wrangler here, even though we're hopefully, knock on wood, we don't have to drive in this today. Well, knock on the steering wheel, because I really don't like driving in the heavy rain, because it is not fun. I don't like driving in the rain, period, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, anyway, so I want to show you. This is what it looks like. It's mounted on the dashboard, right? It's mounted on the dash. Got it on there. Then there's the thing. Then if you want to close it, you close it, right? And then you do that. And, yeah. That's pretty nice. And we can... Then if you have to loosen this up, if I can get it loose. And then if I needed to access the radio via disc or whatever, I can simply do so. I hope the wind's not getting you. Yeah, let me turn it down. I don't want it to be making that noise again. But anyway, yeah, so here, let me just do that. There. So anyway, so we got it all hooked up. Got, you know, it's not in the way of the CD disc and all of that. So that's pretty nice. I can't wait for it to rain, because it needs to rain like pretty badly. Because I was going to show you the wipers, but I don't think that's necessary. But anyway, yeah, so this is what I got. It's not in the way of the radio, so that's good. Then we got this here. It's just a little air freshener thing. So, yeah, we got stuff going. But anyway, the wind is beginning to pick up. So I'm gonna have to tighten this back up. So there, yeah, so whenever next time I go out and drive, I can put my phone up and go to where I need to go without having to worry about the no touch law violation. Well, I kind of have to do it like this because yeah, had to do it like this. Because if I turn it this way and up, there, now things seem to be working a little bit better. Or do you think I should do it the other way since privacy reasons? Alright, so this is probably going to be reoriented, edited, so it's cropped. So I do apologize if it's a little bit awkward. But anyway, I wanted to show you what it looks like on the phone mount. And yeah, so this is pretty nice. So now I have a phone mount on here. You know, we're in coordinates with the no touch law that that we have in the state, because you're not allowed to drive around without you're not allowed to drive around with your phone in your hand, because you can get stopped by, you know, if you know what I mean. So anyway, so yeah, so that's why we got it going. I mean, I feel so much happy already right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you. You know, this is pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So now all we have to do is you know, hook up the aux cord, which I have right here, and I can plug it into my phone here, so I can listen to music, of course. So yeah, it's a cool beans. Holy cow, the wind is sure picking up. I best go inside before, you know, we have some glass busting on us, but nah, that ain't gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up, and I will see you guys in another video. So go ahead and get this here. I probably should keep this in my center console, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff, throw it out. And I will see you guys in another video. So flip this. Ready, set, go. Look at that. Watch what happens when I open the door.